Hi, today my topic is database type. First, let's think about the issue. Database is a collection of the information that is organized to get access. Thus, how do we categorize a database according to our demands, speed, functions, and the security issues? Since the database is widely used in the applied, normally people start to have specific demands to a database operations such as speed, security. As a development, the database has been categorized on the basis of the function. Today we will focus on different type of database and see how they perform differently. Here's outline, and first of all, I would like to figure out what's database. Database is an organized collection of data, typically in digital form, and is easily to access, manage, and update. We manage data more efficiently when the data is stored in a database. Database evolved from computer file system. So why database? Database solve a series of problems in data management and in many areas such as business, research, and administration. Database work and interact with other application. First of all, it is relational database, which is the most common type of database. The data in relational database is stored in various data table. Each table have a key field to connect it to other tables. The examples of relational database are SQL-base and Microsoft SQL. In this picture, it is a relational database about a movie. We can see there are many individual tables such as character, name, caster, link, title, and each table have the data connect to the table, and each table connected by the IDs. So when we search the actor's name of the movie, we will first search the caster, and then we move to the name table, and we will get the answer. So the all the table are relational. The second one is documented-oriented database, a computer program designed for storing, retrieving, and managing document-oriented or semi-structured data information. This is a database about individual information and address. So we can search by the first name, last name, and address uh, in this database, and all the information are stored as documentation, which is easily to get. The third one is operational database, which generates a huge amount of data. All the data about inventory, management, purchase, and transaction is collected in operational database. The database includes customer database, personal database, and the detail of how much of a product. The, the data stored in operational databases can be changed and manipulated depending on what company requires. In this picture, we'll find that the enterprise servers, workgroup servers are connected by operational database. The servers generate data while operating and directly send and store the data in operational database. The next one is distributed database, which works across several different states. Distributed database are caused by different office location, manufacturing plants. Um, each of these group may have their own database, which will together form main database. This is a company which have 4 different locations. Each location manager has its own complete database, which covers the data related to the location management. And these 4 distributed databases are connected by network and will form a complete database about this company. The last one is graph database, which is known as graph structure. It is a kind of NoSQL database. Um, this is a good example of graph data model. And in this graph, we will see different company have different level of graph processing and graph storage. We will find the Twitter have the most non-native graph processing and graph storage. A database system consists of logical related data stored in a single data repository, physically distributed among multiple storage functions. The database system eliminated most of file system program and define, store, and manage all access paths and components. In this presentation, we go over the types of database and database systems. The most important type in my consideration are such as graph database, distributed database, and documented-oriented database. They are fulfill different functions and capture which can be applied in different fields to meet most of the demand. I believe the types of database will keep growing and the function will be categorized more specifically. Thank you.